Hello guys and welcome. So today I want to show you my new Axial SCX24. It's the base camp version, it comes ready to run, and for me it's the greatest crawler that I own. Why? Because it was a gift. I got that for Christmas for my family. Thanks a lot for that. So let's see what you got in the box. So here you have your Spectrum SLT2 controller, but I have got a 2S LiPo with it, a charger, a spare axle, a manual, and a sticker, a binding plug also, and of course your car. It has a nice metal flake design on it. I don't know if you see it in the camera. Very nice looking car. So it's the basic model. Put everything aside. Drop test. It comes with friction shocks. When I first unboxed it on Christmas Eve, I thought it has oil-filled shocks, but it doesn't. All the other crawlers from Axial now they come with oil-filled shocks. The body is held with some Velcro, and the biggest surprise was that I got another battery in it. So I don't know if it comes with two batteries or it's just me that I have a very good batch here. I have now two 2S LiPos with 350 milliamp. The car overall is very nice built. The weight distribution is 50-50. It has a metal frame. All the other parts are in plastic. When I got it first in the hand, I thought it is a flimsy looking design, but I tried it out and my first runs with it was very good. 2-in-1 receiver, only one gear. There are Falcon tires on it. Compound feels very nice and grippy. There you see inside the Velcro where holds the body. Charger is on. So when it's ready, let's give it a try outside. I want to show you the box too. So there are three colorways: the blue, the white, and the pink one. I know some of you are interested in the weight of the car, so let's put the car on the balance. We have here an empty weight of 177 grams. Adding the battery, we come up to 202 grams. With the body, 228 grams. We could compare this with an FCX24. Here I have my Smasher, not the Max Smasher anymore. The Smasher was in version 2. So my Smasher makes 462 grams. With this battery, 481 grams. So today we are doing something else. We are showing the Axial how the driving is, and also we are comparing the Axial with the two cars from FMS. They are also FCX24s. One we have the Smasher, is completely stock. Then we have the Power Wagon from FMS. This one I have just modified slightly. There are some brass rings inside the tires there, so it made it a lot heavier. We're gonna check the weight. Let's check here. The Power Wagon weighs 587 grams. Nein, du musst noch strecken. Christmas. Yeah, thank you. What happened? Oh no! Und Eis. Top. Goede Vollgas ran, kom, tak. Dat is de bully. Drei, 2, 1, go! Hallo? 3, 2, 1, Vollgas! And then, puff, back in the garage, the camera stopped working, didn't manage to make it running again. So, cleaned up the cars. You've seen so far in the video that the Power Wagon, because of the weight, had a bit of advantage on some stages. Also, the Smasher with the big tires came better over the stuff, and the portal axles, they give a very much more ground clearance. So this one, the base camp with his straight axles, has to struggle a bit more. So now we are going to upgrade the base camp with some oil-filled shocks. And I have bought some tires, some rock sliders, and some brass for the weight. And here also you have an diff cover. We're going to install this.